What are the main reasons Amazon PPC ads stop working or never perform? Let's zoom out just a bit for clarity to understand what could cause it. Why do we assume that Amazon PPC ads would stop working and never perform? I love to question this because I like to test it. Each campaign that I'm starting within the agency, every campaign must have a strategy behind. So once that you're starting a campaign and you're seeing that it's not working the way it's supposed to work. Example, if you are going to use the 5 strategies that we're using usually within Scale with protect, conquer, rank, dominate, and discover. If we see that the campaign is not performing the discover purpose that it was created for, and by discover what I mean, we want to find new keywords for which we can make sales that we did not even know that we are going to convert for example, right? So if we're going to create a strategy that is a discover strategy and the campaigns do not reflect that the discover strategy was supposed to bring us cheap sales, it's working, then we would look into what is the cause of it. Do we show up in different placements that are way more expensive for us? Do we not bid enough so we are not showing up at all? What is the main reason for it? Because keep in mind that the question was like, ads stop working or never perform well. We have to define what not working means and also what perform well means. If we have a strategy that is for ranking, for example, what we are aiming with those type of strategies is to make sure that we're going to bring more organic traffic and also rank higher on the first page of Amazon. And if we are not achieving that ranking purpose, then it means that the strategy behind it was not achieved. It's not that it's not performing well or it stopped working, but is not aligned within what the purpose and scope was for the campaign.